Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Finding the limit of this fraction looks tricky at first, but we can solve it quickly by using L'Hopital's rule. Let's dive right into it. First, notice that as x approaches 2, both the numerator and denominator go to 0. We apply L'Hopital's rule by taking the derivative of the top and the bottom separately now. Next, we need the derivative of the function f at 2, which is just the slope of the line on the graph. That slope is clearly negative 3 over 2 here. Finally, divide that slope by the sine term's derivative. This simplifies to negative 3 over pi. Option B is our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps carefully every time.